How to fix Chase UK payment/transfer failed error. First, if you're having any kinds of transactions error on your banking applications, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be having any internet issues while making transactions. However, if you're still facing problems with your transfer, you want to simply go to your application. You want to simply go to your Chase application, tap and hold on to the app and click on this I icon over here to go to app info. And here you want to scroll down and tap on storage. And at the bottom of your screen, you can see two options called clear cache and clear data. You want to clear both of these data and cache over here. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be having any kinds of trouble. However, if this doesn't solve the problem, you can uninstall the app and install it again, or what you can also try is restarting your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.